father is a retired government servant.
Yeah.
My mother is a homemaker. My sister is a senior HR professional who is working in Qatar. She is settled along with her family over there. And finally, it's me. We are a closely knit family who shares great bonds.
Your sister is working where? Qatar.
Yes, sir. She is working as a senior HR professional in Qatar.
Qatar. Where is Qatar?
Yes.
Qatar is
So
where?
West Asia, sir.
West Asia. Wow. What is the capital of Qatar?
Doha. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, 1 minute. Hold on.
Sure, sir.
Yes. Coming to banking, please tell me, what do you know about banks?
So banks are basically the lifeline of any nation. It contributes to the development of our economy, and it is one of the core service which is very essential for the growth and development of the nation.
In the meantime, you studied macroeconomics. What is macroeconomics? What is microeconomics?
Okay, sir. These are basically two streams of economics. So, when coming on to microeconomic, it focuses to study individual problems, predominantly confined to a consumer or a household. However, when it comes to macroeconomics, it is a detailed study on entire nation. The best example is that a GDP is a macroeconomic concept since it is the sum total of all goods and services produced within the whole country. However, studying about the expenditure of an individual or a household is particularly a micro concept which comes under microeconomics. This is the basic simple difference between micro and macroeconomics.
What is the present GDP of our country?
So the present GDP of our country is around 3.18 lakh crore. We are about to reach 3.75 billion in another few months, sir.
Now, in terms of trillion, what is the figure?
Oh, sorry, sir. Trillion. Exactly. We are about to reach 3.75 trillion, sir.
I think you told wrongly. 3
Sorry,
point.
sir. Sorry for the
Now
misinformation.
it is what? 3 point.
3.18, sir.
Okay, good.
3.18 trillion. It
That
will
is
certainly reach 3.75 in another few months, and we are expected to overtake 8 trillion in another 2 years.
what is the present inflation rate in India?
So the present inflation rate is 6.4 percentage.
Wrong.
Sorry, sir, 7.44 percentage.
In the last month,
7.44 percentage, sir.
Yeah,
sorry.
Good, very good. That's correct. So, how Reserve Bank is tackling inflation?
So RBI is the key monetary authority to control the inflation. It has got a monetary policy committee wherein 3 members are represented by RBI and 3 members are represented by Government of India. They use monetary policy tools such as repo rate, reverse repo rate, CRR, and SLR to control the inflation. When the inflation is high, they increase the policy rate so that the banks do very less credit creation, which shall in turn reduce the cash flow in the economy, and thereby we can control the inflation.
Good, that is correct. That's correct. Now, which bank do you have an account?
So I have an account with Indian Bank.
Acha, but where is the headquarters of Indian Bank?
The headquarters of Indian Bank is at Chennai, sir.
Headquarters in Chennai. 1 minute. It's not. Power is not coming here. What is the reason? 1 minute. Let me check up. Hold on.
Okay, sir.
Yes, now power is coming. Correct. Good. Which branch are you having an account?
So I maintain my account with my university branch. We have got a Indian Bank branch within Pondicherry University.
So still you are using that. Now you are in which place? You are in.
I have I am in Trivandrum, sir, but I haven't transferred my account yet. Although I am operating it and very actively using the same, I haven't transferred my account to Trivandrum, sir.
Good. Now, can you please tell me what is the name of the mobile app of Indian Bank?
Int
Hello.
app, sir, is it Int app?
No, no, no. Ind
Okay, sorry.
Oasis.
Oh, Int Oasis.
Whereas we are
Okay.
not using it. That's why you don't know. Doesn't matter.
No, sir.
Now come to Federal Bank. So
Okay,
tell
sir.
me the products of Federal Bank, deposit products, advance products.
Okay, Federal Bank offers a wide range of products for business as well as for savings. So coming on to savings bank account, sir, should I mention the general products or should I
No,
be
no.
more specific?
There is no need for you to mention the specific name of
Okay,
particular
okay,
account.
sir.
If at all
Okay, sir.
you know, you can remember one or two savings accounts and tell. Otherwise,
Okay, sir.
simply say savings
Savings
account, current.
account,
Yeah,
current account,
yeah,
fixed deposits account, and recurring accounts are with the main uh,
deposits.
individual products or savings bank product, deposit products that are being offered by Federal Bank. They
Out
also
of these,
provide
out of
tailor-made products.
out of these, which are called as demand deposits.
So demand deposits are basically the deposits where we can withdraw based on the demand of the consumers. These are basically savings bank account.
Savings and a current account,
Yes, savings and current account.
which are known as time deposits. Why they are called time deposits?
Time deposits are basically fixed deposit account because on a random basis we can't go and withdraw all of a sudden. If in order to withdraw the same, we'll have to break the FDs or wait until the maturity.
There is one more. RD is also known as time deposit.
Yes, recurring deposits.
Yeah. Now
So,
tell me about loan products.
so Federal Bank offers multiple loan products, including car loan, home loan, personal loan, and gold loan. So,
Good. So, what is your father?
my father is a retired government servant. He worked with the police department, and he got retired as a superintendent of police.
Something you said about your mother. What is she?
So my mother is a homemaker.
Homemaker only. Good, good, good. Excellent. Now, what do you know about the corporate social responsibility activities of Federal Bank?
Okay. The corporate social responsibility is basically done under Companies Act of 2013. If at all a company has a profit of 5 crore and above, they are supposed to keep away 2% of their profit for several social activities. So the Federal Bank has varied social activities such as Bandhan, wherein they adopt a school and improve the quality of education of that particular schools in almost all the branches. Secondly, they also have fed skill developmental centers wherein they recruit students from remote areas, give them training in various courses such as tailoring and tallying so that they get certificates and get placed in various other organizations. So these are basically done under Federal Bank Hormes Memorial Foundation.
But somewhere you said 5 crores. That's why I'm not.
Sir, this is basically the law, sir. As per Companies Act of 2013, if at all a company has a turnover of 1,000 crore or a worth of 500 crore or as a profit of more than 5 crores, they are supposed to do CSR activities, sir. That's what I found from my research.
Very good, very good. Yeah, it is there in clear tax in.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am giving
Exactly.
that link for our Fed. I was thinking it is 500 crores, something like that.
Oh, no,
And,
sir. It was 5 crore.
5 crore net profit. Good. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Now, please tell me about the digital products of our Federal Bank.
So Federal Bank offers wide range of federal products. The first thing that comes to my mind is Mahila Mitra Plus. Mahila Mitra Plus is a product especially tailor-made for women. It gives personal loans, car loans, and gold loans as a subsidized rate. Thirdly, it also offers around 20 checks for a 6 months period. It also gives the opportunity for the women to have 2 minor accounts for their children. Secondly, Federal Bank became the first bank in Indian history to give to enable opening an account by not visiting any of their offline branches, by using your Aadhaar, mobile, and proper identity cards. You can open instantly an account using their mobile app.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
What are your strengths?
Sir, I am a person who tries to complete the entire work in a time-bound manner. Secondly, I don't, failures do not affect me, sir.
Good. But you can add some more points also. You have to just make a research
Okay,
about
sir. I'm a
yourself.
person with strong work ethic, and I also get very much engaged with extracurricular activities so that I get more productive in my work, sir.
What are the extracurricular activities?
So I love jogging and cycling.
Oh, good. Now, who is the governor of Kerala?
So, governor of state or RBI, sir, it wasn't clear.
Governor of Kerala.
Sir, it is Sri Mohammed Arif Khan.
Very good. Who is the lieutenant governor of Pondicherry?
Sir, right now I am unable to recollect the name.
Tamilisai
It was the late.
Soundararajan.
Yes, sir. Yes,
See,
sir. Exactly.
unfortunately, you should know all the 3 states.
Okay,
Because
sir. Sure, sir.
yes, yeah, in Tamil Nadu also, and get better to know about Karnataka and other things. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, who is the Chief
Sure.
Justice of India?
So it is Sri D.Y. Chandrachud.
Now, tell me 3 current affair news that stays in your mind now.
Okay. Very recently we had an unfortunate event in Manipur. I came to know that still the Koki tribes are facing evictions, forceful evictions from their places. It was a sad news that I read yesterday, and we also came to know about the successful launch of Aditya L1 mission, which was basically intended to study more about the corona of the sun. Thirdly, it is a regional news wherein the self-help group of Kerala, popularly known as Kudumbashree, was able to acquire around 23 crores on behalf of their Onam festivals. They launched a variety of products and gained a revenue of around 23 crores. I found it as a very positive news from the recent newspapers.
Which commodity has been banned export recently?
Banned exports, so it was rice.
Yeah, non-basmati rice.
Yes, non-basmati rice. Exactly.
What is the news about export of onion? Some restriction has been made.
Sorry,
export of onion. Some export duty has been levied on that. Export duty.
Only, yes, so basically onion and tomatoes are most volatile components in Indian market, and they also lead to inflation, and the prices are very much fluctuating. So there are events where the prices of onion has even affected the working of the government. So I do believe that
no, but don't tell unnecessarily extra points. Okay. I wanted to know about the export restrictions. If you know that, you tell. Otherwise, say I don't know. You are telling something not related to the question.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry for diverting.
Yeah.
Basically,
it's okay. Fine. Very nice. Otherwise, okay, you have been telling correctly. Now tell me, what is the net profit of our bank for the last quarter?
So it was 853 crores.
What is the total deposits?
Around 2,22,000, sir.
What is advances?
Advances is around
1,87,000 crore.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1,87,000 crore or so they have given. That's okay. Doesn't matter. Good. Best wishes. Attend the interview with confidence. Send the questions. Sure, and in the meantime, whatever videos I'm posting, And wherever I'm conducting class, if you can come and attend.
Yes, sir,
Thank you.
I've been following all your classes. Sir, can I have a feedback of yours, sir?
No, nice. You are answering very well. Somewhere around 9 out of 10. So
Okay.
far, lucky for you, I have not asked any question where you are struggling too much. So that way
Okay.
it's nice. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sir,